Hey guys, and welcome to my unboxing of the Satechi USB-C Pro Hub. So this is a hub for the MacBook Air, it's not only for the MacBook, but it was designed for the MacBook. So yeah, we can see we have two USB-C adapters right here. This is where you plug it into the MacBook. Then we have USB-C here, 2x USB-A, another USB-C, SD and micro SD card slots, and on top of it there should also be a HDMI output here. Then on the side of it we can see it says Space Gray and another picture, and here you can also see the HDMI output. On the back, again, we have just a clarification what type of ports we have right here, and a nice little graphic, and yeah, nothing really more. But as you can see, it's space gray, so I got my new MacBook Air also in space gray, so these two colors should match. Let me just cut this open right here and try to get it out without damaging the packaging. Alright, so let's slide this out. This box right here is empty. So now we just have the adapter and of course, as always, a little documentation, user guide, manual, whatever you want to call this. Let's put this aside. Nothing more, so let's try to get this one out of the plastic. And yeah, here you can see it. We have the two USB-C connectors, and we'll put it into the MacBook like this. So we have the HDMI on top, then as I said, USB-C, turn it around real quick, USB-C, a little indicator lamp, 2x USB-A, another USB-C, SD and micro SD cards. And this is already all there is to it. Yeah, sadly I don't have my MacBook with me right now, so I can't show you the color, but I will test it out and I will let you know in post-production. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this really short unboxing of the Satechi USB-C Pro Hub. Yeah, thank you for watching and have a nice day.